crypto's selling off today. Okay, but it's not this panic sell type scenario. Okay, it looks like to me it's like this basic profit taking because the technical analysis is showing that a downward movement. So we're not going to freak out about that. So basically, what we're talking about here, it's not a shakeout. Okay, this is not a shakeout. It's removing weak hands is what this is interpreting to me. Let me show you the chart. Here's XRP. Now, when we look at this, the other day I was talking about this symmetrical triangle in the yellow right here. If you can see that, see the symmetrical triangle? We were getting tight towards the tip here. We had to break out one way or the other. That's just how it works. We did finish below. Look at this. Next day, down. We had some pause. But boom. Once we went below this trend line in purple, oh, goodness. Okay, 188 for XRP as we speak right now. Okay, so there's not a bottom underneath that. Let me zoom out. I'm going to show you the next level on this XRP chart. There it is in white. Okay, I believe that is a white color for you right there. So there is no other support level from here on down, because I'll zoom out even more. Okay, once we broke this, this is only one little tip. A wick doesn't create a support level like a tiny wick. The only level that I can see that has 1, 2, maybe 3 tips of the wicks is right around this 172. 172. There is no bottom. There is no bottom. I mean, this 180-ish could be a psychological support level, but what I'm saying is it's 172. Okay, and then if we break that 172, this would be the next level. The yearly low is at 161, ladies and gentlemen. So, hey, these aren't emotional. This is just some technical analysis that I'm showing you today, to where if we see these price points getting hit, don't freak out. It's totally normal. Okay? Now, there's a lot of people talking about there's going to be this blow-off turnaround once things settle down here. And there's some fundamentals involved with this discussion as well, but just know the facts. Okay, that's what we're talking about. And let me go way out. So look at this. So if I zoom way out, you can see the entire year back here. This was last November, right above my head here. It just, we went from, I mean, last November, it started right around 48 cents. Okay, 48 cents. I'm gonna scoot over a little bit here. It started right around 48 cents right here and ran up to $2.90. Okay, remember that was fun times. That's where I was smiling, because I did get in down here. That was so. But the nice thing about this project is this huge run up here where my cursor is. This is all year long. Okay, all year long, we've been sitting in this wide range of that white line I was talking about, around 172-ish to the 227. So I mean, that's the story. That is the story right now. So as we get closer to the end of the year, look, there's consolidation going on right now, people. That's all it is to it. This isn't this panic sell with this massive thing going on D-Day right here when we had that tweet that caused the markets to crash. That's not what this is. Here, I'll measure it. This daily candle right now has been exactly, I should go the other way. It's been exactly a 7% drop. Okay, we know in cryptocurrency that's not crazy. For a day, it's a lot. There's no doubt. It's a big day. 7% is a lot for one day, but we're not worried about that. Okay, that's the XRP situation. We're below that symmetrical triangle. We got to get back into that trading trend line range and then see what happens from there. So look, it will turn around. It's just a matter of when. The Bitcoin chart right here. Interestingly enough, we're back into that downward trend. This line and this line are my trend lines on this Bitcoin chart, trading 85,000. There's a strong support level. Once it comes back down to this moving average here, which one is that? Is that the the 800? That's the 800. Trust me, we'll bounce off that 800 day. Just historically over time with a Bitcoin narrative, we will bounce off that. It's silly to think not. So it's only, I mean, it's not crazy. It's a 7% candle today. This arrow up here again, it was in the past when I was talking about, this was that crazy moment of reaching outside of that trend line and the support, but it just was not enough strength volume wise to do anything. Okay, so we're coming down like that. So that's the main message for today, everybody. Just wanted to share that with y'all. So just be aware of these levels. Okay, these levels can be important indicators. This isn't a panic sell. It's not. Okay, Bitcoin pulled back from those mid 80,000s. Okay, we are having a little bit of pull down. Ethereum lost that 3,000 psychological level. That's what I'll finish with this. For Ethereum, it's just a human psychology level. Okay, that goes against technical analysis for the most part. But right here, this candle has dropped below that 3,000 point. That's the spot. That's all there's to it. So let's see if fortunately we did break out. Ethereum's the most bullish chart yet. We did break out of that downward trend line. It's probably going to bounce off that once we get further down around the let's say 2,600-ish. So anyway, hey, coming into the Christmas week here, everybody, pay attention to charts, but don't set your mind on, I gotta go see what's going on with the guard doggies up there. Crypto Hop, thank you like always checking in. I appreciate your time, everybody. And let's keep moving forward. I'll let you know what's going on with this stuff tomorrow. If there's any movements, I'll get in there tonight and let you know. Hey, appreciate your time. Give that thumbs up if you would, please. Crypto Hop signing off. I gotta see what the doggies are doing. All right, peace out, man. Peace out.